Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a product on your Shopify. We're on the home page right now, but we actually want to go to products. And now it's going to give you an option to add your products. So we'll do that. And now we want to give a title, and I want to sell nunchucks. So we're going to put nunchuck. Now it's going to ask for a description. I actually have this description, and I'm going to copy paste it. Now that I have my description ready, I can actually do some edits to it. I can highlight part of the description, and then I can click bold if you'd like it to be bolded. And now, once you get a little bit more into detail, you can actually highlight part of the description and then click insert link, and then actually add a link to one of the descriptions to kind of give maybe a deeper explanation to part of the description. But for now, we're not going to do that. And now we're going to go to media and add some photos. So I'm going to click on add photos, and then I'm going to go down and we are going to choose the photos that we want to be added. So I'm going to choose all of these, click upload, and now we have the photos that we want to use. Now we're going to go down to pricing. And so the first option is how much are we selling it for? So for these nunchucks, we're going to sell them for $14, or rather $14.99. Click enter. And now we're going to go to compare at price. So this number right here will be shown when one of your clients or one of your customers is going to buy this product for $14.99. You can also add, let's say it was selling for $25.99, and that number will be crossed out next to this number. So this is kind of a marketing tactic. We'll go for $25. That would be its original price, but we're actually selling it for this price. And now you can add, if you want to add tax to this product, so you can unclick it or click it. You would have to read the laws or regulations per the product that you're selling, and then cost per product. So this is what we're actually buying the product for, and we're buying this product for $3.99, and it gives our margin and our profit. And now we go down to SKU, which is stock keeping unit. We don't really need to add anything right now, but just for it to have like a reference number, we'll add 10001. And this will help us track the quantity. And then we're going to go down to shipping. This is a physical product, so we're going to keep that checked. And then the weight. So we have to know the weight of this product. So I think this weight is going to be around, let's say, half a pound. So we'll put that, click enter. And now custom information, country, region of origin. So we're actually getting these nunchucks from China. So we will actually click on that. And now it's harmonized system code. We actually don't need to worry about that. And then we go down to options. This product has options like size or color. We do have two different colors. On color, we have black, click enter, and yellow. Click done. Now we have those two options ready to go. And then we can actually add photos to these two options, but since we already added the photos up here, we don't really need to do that. And now this actually will show up right here on the search engine list of what our URL is going to look like. And it looks like martial arts foam nunchucks. And then we can also edit this if we want with the description. And we can actually add our URL, which is actually nice, martial arts foam nunchucks, which is great. And we're going to save this. Perfect. And now you've added your first product to your Shopify store. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video and if it was helpful, leave a like, please. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.